Stock market analysis. Stock market analysis is a critical process for investors and traders to evaluate the financial health, performance, and potential future movements of individual stocks or the overall market. Here are some key elements to consider when conducting stock market analysis. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So let's start. Fundamental analysis. This approach involves examining a company's financial statements, including its balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. Analyze key financial ratios such as earnings per share (EPS), price to earnings (P/E) ratio, and return on equity (ROE) to assess the company's profitability, valuation, and overall financial health. Technical analysis. Technical analysis focuses on analyzing historical price patterns, volume, and various technical indicators to predict future price movements. It involves chart analysis, identifying support and resistance levels, trend lines, and using indicators like moving averages, relative strength index, RSI, and MACD to identify potential buy or sell signals. Market trends and sentiment. Consider broader market trends and investor sentiment. Monitor economic indicators, industry trends, and geopolitical events that may impact the stock market. Assess market sentiment through indicators like the Volatility Index, VIX, or sentiment surveys to gauge overall market optimism or pessimism. Company news and events. Stay updated on company-specific news, such as earnings releases, product launches, acquisitions, or regulatory changes. News can significantly impact stock prices, and analyzing the implications of such events can help you make informed investment decisions. Industry analysis. Evaluate the competitive landscape and growth prospects of the industry in which a company operates. Look for factors like market share, barriers to entry, technological advancements, and potential regulatory changes that may influence the company's future performance. Remember that stock market analysis is complex and subject to various uncertainties. It's crucial to conduct thorough research, remain objective, and consider multiple perspectives before making investment decisions. Additionally, it's advisable to consult with a financial advisor or professional if you're unsure about specific aspects of stock market analysis or need personalized advice. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.